The underwater world has a lot to say. Luckily, Ella Kim is listening.
The sounds are surprising.
Kim is a doctoral candidate at Scripps Institution of Oceanography in San Diego, California, one of the world's oldest and largest centers for ocean and earth science research. And Kim's ears are specifically attuned to one marine animal.
I study fish acoustics, so specifically the sounds that fish make underwater. I feel like a fish detective.
Yes, fish make sounds specific to each species.
They'll sound like drums or helicopters or like boinging pogo sticks. Some of them are like very funky. And then from there, we're able to use a clustering algorithm.
Kim invited us to her lab for a fish concert of sorts, audio of various sounds from fish living along the California coast.
They'll do something called a chorus, which if you can imagine sitting on the seafloor, hundreds of fish of the same species will sing all together for hours at a time over multiple months.
The collective sounds are nocturnal love songs used by male fish to attract females.
Kind of like how birds will show off their feathers, fish do the same with their song.
Kim and her team capture the sounds from hundreds of meters underwater with the help of sophisticated equipment, including a microphone placed on the sea floor. Then, data from up to 6 months' worth of sounds is collected.
You can imagine going through these data sets day by day, hour by hour, is not only extremely time intensive, but also costly.
And that's where artificial intelligence plays a crucial part. Kim helped develop the method for computers to sift through all that data and weed out fish sounds from other noises. Normally a tedious task for even the most experienced scientist.
It becomes challenging when there's this cocktail of a bunch of fish all singing at the same time.
The technology can analyze years' worth of data in just a few days. The information helping provide a better understanding of what fish exist, where they're located, and how they're proliferating.
We can better understand when fish mating seasons are happening, where fish are generally, and when they're reproducing. And this is really important in terms of fish conservation and fisheries management.
Important as 3 billion people around the world depend on fish as their primary protein source. Fish also help pull carbon from the atmosphere, alleviating the effects of climate change. Kim's future research concentrates on how warming waters are having an impact on populations, indicated by how low or high-pitched the fish sounds are.
So my next project that I'm working on.
Kim says more clues have yet to be discovered about our fish friends. This fish detective will surely be on the case.
There's a lot of mystery involved and a lot of unknown, which as a scientist is really exciting.
Frances Coe, CGTN, San Diego.